Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find wallet address on Rapid's wallet. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your Rapid's wallet application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your wallet by entering your wallet's password. After you are done unlocking your wallet, from the main homepage, tap on the Receive button, which should appear at the bottom. Your wallet address will be displayed right under your QR code. You can copy your wallet address by tapping on the Copy button and send the wallet address to anyone you want to receive funds from. You can also go ahead and let anyone scan this QR code so that they can directly send you money. By scanning this QR code, your wallet address is a unique string of characters that is used to send and receive RPD. You can share your wallet address with others so they can send RPD to you. Remember that it is important to keep your wallet address safe and confidential, and every time you want to receive RPD, you need to provide your wallet address to the sender. Then the sender can enter your wallet address in the to field when sending RPD. So that's how you can easily find your wallet address on Rapid's wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.